speaker is Curt Vogel, and I met Curt when he entered the Excel program at Georgia Tech University. For those of you that don't know, the Georgia Council on Developmental Disabilities, as well as Georgia Vocational Rehabilitation Agency and others, have been supporting the expansion of the inclusion or post-secondary inclusive programs. And Josh is one of the students at Georgia Tech in the Excel program, and I'd like to invite him to come up now and tell you about his story.
Hi, I am delighted to be here today, and I am grateful for having this opportunity to share what I have learned with you. People with disabilities want the same opportunities to have a job as people without disabilities. A study from the Job Accommodation Network has typically shown that the benefits to employers who employ people with disabilities far outweigh the cost of accommodations. The study shows that 59% of accommodations have no cost, and the remainder of accommodations cost less than $500. I want you to see me as a gifted and capable employee. I have a passion for using computers and other technology to help myself and others with disabilities get the kind of opportunities they deserve. I understand from my experience what it means to be labeled with a disability. It often means that people expect less of me. I want to encourage everyone who hears me today to have high expectations of me and others with disabilities, because helping me to achieve the self-determined life I want begins with all of us having high expectations of each other. I want to work together with people without disabilities, because sometimes the best is brought out in people when they work together toward a common goal. Thank you.